Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And today is 2nd May 2021. Till now, today morning also after waking up, I checked OPSC website. They have not updated anything about OPSC Civil Services prelim examination. So, from many of my sources, I came to know that the May 3rd they are going to conduct a meeting. Hope and keep your fingers crossed that they may be thinking on a rescheduling of this particular thing. So without wasting time, whatever may be they will reschedule, not reschedule, that is none of your concern. You supposed to be enjoying the process of learning and you supposed to be constantly in a preparation mode, and giving this particular time is totally dedicated to test series, appearing test series, then analyzing the answers as well as strengthening your gray areas. Very important. Until and unless you strengthen your gray areas, your performance in prelim is going to be going down. So always try to make it a point, appear test series, analyze what is your weak areas and try to strengthen those weak areas so that your performance level goes up, not down in prelim examination. And today to announce all of you that we have already made Master Key test series. This is Master Key test series which I am always talking about in many of the videos, that we have already started this Master Key test series. And if you really want this Master Key test series, I will already put a particular sample copy of this Master Key set in this description box. And in each Master Key set, we at the end of the set, we are giving the answer key. We are giving this answer key at the end of this particular Master Key sets. And we are providing this particular Master Key set at 599 rupees. We will be giving you 40 high quality Master Key sets. Our target is to give you the high quality MCQs so that in the prelim examination at least 65 to 75 questions, maybe directly or maybe indirectly, related to our question Master Key sets. And yesterday I uploaded Master Key set number 12 in my WhatsApp group which we have found. And if you are interested, then say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoy27@gmail.com, and I will put the email address in this description box. You can also check it through the about section. And today we will be discussing Master Key set number 1. Master Key set number 1, and we will be discussing few MCQ from this particular Master Key set. Number 1 question MCQ: which Indian state is the focus state in the first ever virtual Adi Mahotsav? Which Indian state is the focus state of first virtual Adi Mahotsav? Is it A, Rajasthan? Is it B, Uttarakhand? B, Madhya Pradesh? Is it C, Uttarakhand? Or is it D, Kerala? Try to answer this question. First virtual Adi Mahotsav. The answer is B, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is the state which first virtual Adi Mahotsav is going to be held. Then coming to the next question, the central government has declared entire area of which state as disturbed area under Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958. Remember, the disturbed area for more than 6 months under Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958. Is it A, Assam? Is it B, Nagaland? Is it C, Manipur? Is it D, Mizoram? Answer is B, Nagaland. Nagaland is the state which the government of declared entire area as disturbed area for more than 6 months. Then coming to the next question, Which one of the following is the first state to declare novel coronavirus as state disaster? Remember the state disaster. Which state has recently declared? Is it A. Kerala? Is it B. Tamil Nadu? Is it C. Uttar Pradesh? Is it D. Haryana? Pause the video and try to answer this question. The answer is A. Kerala. Kerala has recently declared this particular novel coronavirus as state disaster. Then coming to the next question, which Indian state was the top destination for the foreign tourists? Remember, for foreign tourists, which state is the number one destination in 2020 released by Ministry of Tourism? Is it A. Gujarat, B. Tamil Nadu? Is it C. Goa? Is it D. Madhya Pradesh? Top destination for foreign tourists. The answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the state for the foreign tourists, the number one destination for foreign tourists. Then coming to the next question, Atal Tunnel was recently dedicated to the nation by Prime Minister Modi in which state? Is it A. Rajasthan? Is it B. Uttarakhand? Is it C. J&K? Is it D. Himachal Pradesh? Atal Tunnel. The answer is D. Himachal Pradesh. D. Himachal Pradesh is the state in which Atal Tunnel is being inaugurated by PM Modi. Then coming to the sixth question, PM Modi recently inaugurated Ghar Tak Fiber project in which state? Ghar Tak Fiber project in which state? Remember, is it A. Maharashtra? Is it B. Bihar? Is it C. Rajasthan? Is it D. Haryana? Ghar Tak Fiber project inaugurated by PM Modi. The answer is B. Bihar. B. Bihar is the state in which Ghar Tak Fiber project is started by PM Modi. Which state launched Duare Sarkar campaign to avail and help the people avail the state-run welfare schemes? Is it A. Jharkhand? Is it B. Odisha? Is it C. Haryana? Is it D. West Bengal? The answer is Duare Sarkar is a scheme started by West Bengal government. Remember, Duare Sarkar, it is West Bengal government. Then coming to the next question, the Union Cabinet has approved the adoption of Panchayati Raj Act in which union territory for the first ever time? Is it A. Puducherry? Is it B. Delhi? Is it C. J&K? Is it D. Ladakh? Adoption of Panchayati Raj. When a question like this is asked, you immediately switch on your radar. Switch on your radar means you have to think about which particular state or union territory has recently been formed or something like. And the answer is J&K. As the J&K reorganization bill was passed, the state was bifurcated into two union territories. And you know, for the first time, Panchayati Raj was introduced because of this particular reorganization bill. So the answer is C. J&K. Then coming to the next question, the Sumangal web portal has been launched by which state to provide inter-caste marriages? Sumangal web portal, very important, Sumangal web portal. Is it A. Kerala? Is it B. Andhra Pradesh? Is it C. Odisha? Is it D. Tamil Nadu? The answer is Sumangal web portal for inter-caste marriages. It is because of Odisha government has started recently this particular scheme of inter-caste marriages, Sumangal web portal. The answer is C. Odisha. Then coming to the last question of today's discussion, Which state passed the ordinance to ban unlawful religious conversions for marriage? Is it A. Haryana? Is it B. Uttar Pradesh? B. Bihar? Is it C. Uttar Pradesh? Or is it D. Maharashtra? Enter this particular unlawful religious conversion for marriage. The answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has taken, I think you must be aware about the recent news that UP government has used the ordinance route of passing this anti-conversion, anti-marriage, this religious marriage act, and they use the power, governor's power under Article 213. And you remember the ordinance making power of the president, it is under Article 123. So it is just 90 articles, you can say 89 articles away, 89 or 90 articles away from each other. So you can make a relation. There are so many articles are there in the Indian Constitution which are having so much interrelated. You can easily remember those articles. So this was all about today's discussion. If you are really interested in buying those master key sets, then you can order it by joining our test series. By paying 599 rupees, we are providing high quality test series so that you will get the real feeling of OPSC prelim examination. And many of the serious aspirants in the YouTube have already taken admission and they are constantly appearing the test series. So without delay, join and our test series. You will get the full length test series. Every day I am posting at least one PDF in that particular WhatsApp group. Then say hi, I am interested in my email address abishoi27@gmail.com. The email address I will put that in description as well as in the about section. Till then, till OPSC notifies this particular examination, keep preparing hard. Take care of yourself as well as your family members. These are turbulent times. Doesn't matter. You supposed to be taking care of yourself as well as your family members. That is my point. Thank you very much.